Hello everyone, it's Chris the Batman Statue Collector, your Dark Knight of Collecting, and today I want to do kind of a different kind of statue chat today. I want to talk about YouTube. Now you all know my channel, and thank you guys for tuning in, as always, but there is a ton of other really great content out on YouTube that maybe if you are new to the collecting world, maybe you don't, you're just starting out with statue collecting, you don't really know where to turn. You don't know necessarily who to go to for advice. You don't know what channels to visit, to find that content that you're seeking. Well, again, I appreciate you coming to this channel as always, but I did want to share with you some of the other awesome channels out there. Now, I will not in any way be able to cover all of them, but I did want to hit some of the ones that I watch and some of the content that I think that you will appreciate as well. Almost all of these channels do unboxings, they do reviews, they do room tours or event tours and things like that. So I just thought I wanted to share the love. I wanted to help promote all the other channels out there because there's so many great talented people out there doing really hard work to bring to each and every one of you. And so I wanted to share those people and recommend those people out there, those channels that I think you're going to like. So let's go ahead. These are in absolutely no particular order, but I did want to share these with you. Let's get started. Alright guys, first up is Darth Castle. Now if you haven't heard of Darth Castle, it's made up of Thor and Rodney. Thor really likes Star Wars stuff. Rodney really likes Punisher stuff. They're friends. They came together to form this awesome channel, and they do really good unboxings and reviews. But my favorite thing on their channel is Friday Night Open Mic. Every Friday night they do a live show. It's my favorite show to watch on YouTube. I absolutely love it. Just a lot of laughs, a lot of cool, fun stuff that they talk about, and a great other crew of guys that join them every single week. Just a fun show and a fun channel. So definitely check out, if you've never heard of them before, definitely check out Darth Castle. You will not go wrong with this channel. A great bunch of guys, and I highly recommend it. Again, a lot of unboxings, lots of reviews, but again, that live show, just fantastic. Another great channel is, of course, Rad Titan. Now, Rad Titan's been around for quite a long time. They are UK-based. It's headed up by Alex and Gio, a great bunch of guys, and they do just tons of videos, unboxings, reviews. They do a lot of travel. I know Alex, especially, Alex does a lot of travel all over the world to bring you coverage of live events. Just phenomenal stuff. So again, they've been around for a long time. If you're watching this channel, you probably are aware of them, but I definitely recommend Rad Titan. Again, just so many videos. You can go back through their entire catalog and watch all their stuff. They also do a live chat as well. So again, you're going to get that kind of content, and again, just all those unboxings and reviews. I just definitely recommend Rad Titan. Alright guys, up next is MCE, otherwise known as Marvelous Statues, and that's how you can find them on YouTube. This is a really great group of guys. It's headed up by George, his brother John, Seth. Seth does a lot of Funko Pop stuff, and then of course Calvin. Calvin is otherwise known as the Statue Fanatic. He has his own channel as well. You can check that out. He does a lot of reviews and also has a really great budget series. So this is a really good, cohesive group of guys. I really respect this channel. They do a lot of reviews, unboxings as well for DC, Marvel, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of licenses, so it's a wide variety of content. They also do a really great live show called That Geek Show. Just very high production quality. I had a chance just about a month ago to meet up with George in Florida. I'm so glad I finally got a chance to meet him. I just really respect him and his channel. So again, wide variety of content. I think you're really going to like MCE. Again, it's otherwise known as Marvelous Statues, and again, that's how you can find them on YouTube. Definitely recommend that channel. Definitely check them out. Up next is Jim Mint Collectibles. Now, Jim Mint has kind of taken the world by storm here. Really great content. Now, he started out kind of as comic books, omnibus. That's how I first heard about him. I had not even heard that term before, and so it made me want to learn more, and now I know quite a bit, and it's thanks to Jim Mint. Now, Jim Mint is made up of Steven and also Manable, a great bunch of guys. They put a ton of work into their content. They also now do a lot of statue unboxings and reviews as well. So it's a very well-rounded channel. They put out content almost daily, and they're doing very well. So if you haven't heard of Jim Mint, definitely check them out because, man, they are, again, just a phenomenal channel. And again, they just are pumping out videos left and right, and they're all high-quality stuff. So again, check them out. Jim Mint Collectibles, can't go wrong. All right, another channel I highly recommend, and you probably know him from my channel, but that's Centauri Stirfry. Just a phenomenal channel. I absolutely love this guy. He has just amazing humor in all of his videos. I absolutely love it. He does a lot of comic book pulls, those sort of things, comic book reviews, and also he does a lot of statue reviews as well. He has an amazing collection. I know he collects a lot of Marvel. Just a really cool guy, and I'm really glad I've got a chance to know him throughout the interwebs here. But definitely, if you haven't checked out Centauri Stirfry, definitely give him a subscribe. Just a really cool channel, and I think you're really going to like it. All right, next up is the Paradox Nerd, otherwise known as PJ. And PJ, if you've ever watched our Rogues Gallery live show, you've seen PJ on some of those shows. A really cool guy. I'm really glad he's part of this community. He does fantastic reviews and unboxings as well. Definitely check him out. I think he does phenomenal work, and I think he's only going to grow as a collector and grow as a YouTuber because, again, I really like his content, and he's a really cool guy. Another great channel is Secret Sanctuary. Now, this is another channel that does a lot of unboxings, a lot of reviews. He has an amazing collection. He is very thorough with all of his explanations on what's going on with the statues. I'm really impressed with him. I really recommend this channel because I think you're going to really enjoy the content. Again, it's called Secret Sanctuary. Definitely check him out. My next recommended channel is going to be Mac Collections, and Mac is a fantastic collector. He's been on some of the live shows. I had a chance to talk to him numerous times. Just seems like an awesome guy, and he does really cool unboxings, really cool reviews. A lot of Prime 1 stuff lately, which I love because he has a lot of the same pieces that I collect. A lot of detail. I really enjoy his stuff. Great music. Just really cool collector. Definitely check out Mac Collections. All right, so next up is Cartel from Hell. Now, this is a channel that I used to watch a while back, had great content, but then the channel went dark for a long time. But Cartel from Hell is back, and I'm really excited that he's back in the community because I always really appreciated his videos, and now he's bringing new content out there. He has an amazing display, amazing collection, and I'm really excited to see what he's going to be collecting in the future. Again, great reviews, great unboxings, just a really cool channel. Again, it's called Cartel from Hell. Another great channel from overseas is Prime Collector. Definitely check him out. Lots of great Prime 1 studio stuff. I'm really impressed with his stuff, so definitely check it out. Again, I don't know how often he updates, but I know the content he puts out there is really top-notch. Another cool channel is Virtual Devil. Now, he does a lot of Prime 1 reviews, displays, unboxing, that type of thing, but he does not speak English. So if that doesn't really bother you, if you still want to see the visuals of it, you don't really understand how to speak another language, definitely check him out. Again, just a really cool Prime 1 content, especially Virtual Devil, cool channel. Another upstart channel is Enchant's Place, and a really cool channel. He does do unboxings and reviews, but the thing that stood out to me is he does a lot of art print reviews. So if you're interested in the art prints to put behind these statues from Sideshow and other places, definitely check him out. Again, just a really cool guy, and I'm really impressed with especially with his art print stuff. Again, it's Enchant's Place. Another great startup channel is Whiplash Collectors, and this is Stephen Lee, a really great collector. He is, again, overseas, and he does a really great stuff with Prime 1. A lot of great video tours and information provided by him. So I always appreciate Stephen. He's helped provide information for our channel. Again, Whiplash Collectors, definitely check him out. All right, another great channel is CASC, and it's headed up by Tim. Tim does a lot of reviews and unboxings as well. He's also a big part of the Immortalized in Stone group. Does a lot of live content these days, so I think you're really going to enjoy it, especially if you enjoy live chat type shows. Again, just a really cool guy and a really cool collector. Again, the channel is CASC. Check him out. Another recommended channel is Gina Bee. Now, Gina Bee is just absolutely phenomenal. She is an amazing collector, but her videos, oh my God, they are just absolutely so professional looking. She goes into incredible detail on each and every piece, every aspect of a statue. So if you want full details, full images, amazing photography, definitely check out Gina Bee Collecting because she is phenomenal. Just a really cool YouTuber and a really cool person. Check her out. Up next is the Odd Couple statue review, and of course Jason and Adrian, they're representing Down Under in Australia. Great bunch of guys and really cool reviews. Lots of DC related contents. If you love Sideshow statues especially, man, they are all over that. Jason loves DC, and you can really tell. It's a great channel, great bunch of guys. Definitely check them out. I think you're going to love them. Sinister Collector is another great channel. Of course, Ryan, you're going to know him from probably Friday Night Open Mic. You're going to see him a lot on those type of shows. But he has a great series, lots of unboxing reviews, and my favorite thing he does is he has a lot of cool interview segments. So definitely some different content there. I think you're really going to like that kind of content. It's awesome. Check him out. All right, guys, so there you have it. I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of some of the channels out there. If I left you off the list, I am sorry. It is not intentional. It's just these are the channels that come to my mind. These are the channels that I watch on a near daily basis. If you're like me, you're always thirsting for more content. And, you know, I try to put out as much as I can, but I know that there's a hunger for all of this content. So I'm glad that there are other channels out there to fill that gap. And again, just a really great group of guys. You know, it takes a lot of work to film and edit and unbox and all of the things that video creators do. I have mad respect for all of the groups and the people that I mentioned, all the channels that I mentioned, because again, it's a lot of work, a lot of effort, and I know that every single one of those guys and girls are always trying to improve their quality, trying to make the best content possible. So I have, again, mad respect for every single one of those creators out there. Just an amazing group. And again, all of these channels were pretty much statue-centric. There's a ton of other great content out there for all different kinds of products. Just keep searching. Definitely check out all the different Facebook groups. Almost all of these channels have Facebook groups, so check them out. Because you're going to find a lot of great content, and you're going to find ways to find other content. So again, this video is primarily for newbies or people that might be, you know, kind of new just to the statue collecting community. And so I wanted to share some of the, or at least my favorite channels out there, and I hope this helps you find them. Definitely give them a sub, give them likes on their videos. It helps you, and it helps other people find content just like this. It really helps, so definitely do that. Definitely give them a sub and a like. That would mean a lot to me. As always, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this statue chat, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up as well. Again, that helps me out tremendously. As always, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the Batcave.